In this video, I'm gonna explain how you can get a refund on DoorDash. Now, the first thing that we want to do is just load up the DoorDash application, and here we will click on Me in the bottom right corner. Now, you will be able to find a list of all of your orders here. So what we want to do is just click on an order which we want to refund. And once you have selected the order, then what you can do is click on Missing Items or Order Incomplete. Now, this is going to get in touch with customer support, and you will explain that there were some missing items, and what they'll do is they'll give you credits. Now, how do credits work? So credits are issued. Once credits are issued, they're applied to the account and used for your original order. Credits are available immediately and will automatically be applied on your next order, including tips. So what this means is that you get this money in your DoorDash account, and you can use it to buy food, new food, I mean. Keep in mind that only admins can apply credits to group orders. Individual may apply personal credits and to expensed meals only. So that's basically it. So if you want to get a refund, you click on the order itself, then you will click on Help in the top right corner, and then you will select Missing Items. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.